Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about the case study topic on smart control system in EV vehicle. Okay, control system is used to regulate the system behavior to achieve desired performance. Okay, this control system has two types. What are the types? Can you tell me? Closed loop control system and open loop control system. What are the difference between closed loop control system and open loop control system?
The closed loop, the closed loop control system does not have any feedback.
Yeah.
The open loop
exactly.
has some feedback.
Open loop control system has the feedback, so it can changes the.
Okay. Let you start your discussion.
Okay, sir. So starting of this case studies, it means to get the development of vehicles first. So in starting days, we would use something about petrol and diesel vehicles to catch our daily running times. In these recent days, the impact of EV vehicles has been increased in worldwide. So starting from China to Japan, the EV vehicles is handovering the most of the countries in every time. Because of huge capacity of electricity can be produced using some physical theorems. And in next, the smart control system is enhanced with the EV vehicles to improve the efficiency and smart AI-based mechanics to improve the driving companion and to make the customer to feel free and to feel safety while driving. So we could be able to use our electronic concepts like high-level concepts like wireless technologies, Wi-Fi bandwidth, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and many other sensors and actuators to develop an mobile companion to vehicle companion. So we can integrate these both and control the vehicles through our automated phones to drive anywhere. So these key features, the key features that smart control system having, we would necessarily see that first of all the battery system, and next about the sensors and actuators, and the third part is our time loop and frequencies. To match up this, we would build a case study here.
Okay. Next, coming to the working part of EV vehicles. Now we all know it is mainly used in the control system to run the EV vehicles. Here, when we turn on the EV vehicles, the controller is act like a brain. It observe the all working conditions and monitor all the things. Like first of all, we wants to see the speed. If we press the accelerator, the signal was converted to the controller and it takes immediate action. When we put the low pressure, like in the accelerator, low pressure in the accelerator, it can generate the low power and it converted into low speed. When we put the high pressure in the accelerator, it convert the high power, then the EV vehicles move in high speed. So here, like we also use more modern technology also, like we can use the smart mobiles to control the EV vehicles systems and using GPS models, and also uses more and more smart modern technologies also. And like accelerator, there are the more for example brake systems, or again the battery recycling in the motor in the EV vehicles. There is the main advantages is the motion energy is converted back into the like electrical energy to the battery. It was the main future. In the future can easily we don't want to charge the vehicles and take more time. It automatically the motion energy is converted into the electrical energy and again refilled in the battery. We can use easily more and more.
How the system is used for common people? How the system is used for common people? So how it will be established in India? It will be work in India.
Yeah, it will. Now we are seeing more EV vehicles are running because it is very useful to the human beings, and in current scenario, more people are changed the vehicles into EV vehicles because it will noise pollution and yeah, we will accept that it is takes more battery and more electrical energy, but it is a non-pollutant and then
It
speed
is
limits.
eco-friendly too. So while driving a vehicle, petrol vehicle, we would see most of the global warming sensors. So in EV vehicles, we don't want to care about it.
But the one disadvantage of the EV vehicles is we can use short distance only, because in any times the long distance traveling was the petrol and diesel vehicles are best compared to the EV vehicles. EV vehicles is speed and shortest distance usage only.
Yes.
So coming to the role of control strategies, first one is feedback control. We continuously compares actual output with desired output used for correct errors. Second one is PID control. It is widely used for motor speed and torque control, which is used in fast response and stability. It's used in PID control. And third one is adaptive control, which is used in motor speed to control the vehicle speed, and fast adaptive and stability to the PID control system. And the last one is AI based control, which is used to advance the EV automations, driving the vehicles to automatically used for stability performance.
Sir, actually, the vehicle is open loop or closed loop while using a control system.
It's the open loop, because it takes the feedbacks from the EV vehicles and they can automatically change the controllers.
It used to energy prediction and fault detection.
Yeah.
So I startingly said that the improving efficiency of a vehicle. So these 4 points, he said that adaptive control, PID control, feedback control, and AI based control. These 4 parts are mainly used to improve the efficiency of a vehicle. So these technologies are not improved in petrol vehicles now. So it is directly directly changed into EV vehicles. So most of the customers will get aware of it and they will buy it.
And also in the modern scenario, all the human beings also converted into digital world. So it is very the EV vehicles also coming to the more smarter and smarter than other vehicles. So
How are you using to much smarter than petrol vehicle, diesel vehicle? How they using much than common diesel vehicle or petrol vehicle? The EV vehicle is more mature than those vehicles. How they are using? How they are adapting the vehicle? Improving the model or improving the technologies in a EV vehicle. How?
See, startingly, our peoples are not aware of EV vehicles. That is the first. So, do you check the sheet? Means the youngsters who are coming in to get their job, they are using EV vehicles because they are aware of it. Okay. The next part is actually we know the news that is the petrol scarcity and diesel scarcity. So automatically EV vehicles will take over it. And that is the reason.
Because the main reason is it is more technological and digital system. It can indicate automatically to the user, so it is more comfortable to the user to drive the vehicle.
Can anyone conclude this topic?
Yeah. Yeah. Those points are it's correct. Actually, the EV vehicles are used to pollution reduce and noise reduce, and more than we are using to we can using the electrical energy by using DC batteries. We can travel here 200 kilometers or 250 kilometers, 400 kilometers. Nowadays, vehicles are available. By using it in Tesla, how they working models. They are using the pulse width models, the PWM. They are using many other models. They are using your own Tesla maps. While using travels, it can premium like a Google Map, but it is premium. While Tesla is nowadays in e-vehicles, Tesla is actually they have built a more mature and great work automatic driving system in EV vehicle. It has an in diesel cars before in diesel cars one person want to sit in a seat. Then only the car will be actually they run the process will be work. Nowadays the person don't want to sit there and control the system. We can choose map in mobile or in a car. We can choose some place and it will be automatic run. It will be parking areas, all other it will be it will be doing.
As
By its-
we know that not only Tesla, by seeing it, most of the companies are getting into the
Yeah.
EV vehicles.
Yeah, Tesla is in not patented. You mean the whole system not patented by Tesla?
So everyone can use it.
Everyone can use. They have free access while using, and they have maps using by an SpaceX. SpaceX they have own satellites. By nowadays, before around 10 days ago, one satellite for using a Tesla.
Even Tesla doesn't need to
Yeah.
take another
Yes.
another APIs
Yes.
to work in.
E-vehicle is nowadays in India it is more popular. While petrol is increasing in price and diesel also increasing. While using the e-vehicle, we can reduce in cost and we can cost effective and all of it.
So by integrating control system in EV vehicle, we can improve the efficiency of that EV vehicle. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.